about to start cooking, and I thought, why not turn the camera on and get some content in, you know? But yeah, so I'm about to cook some crab stuffed lobster. Shout out to Danny Rose because her channel is everything. So I'm going to be following one of her recipes, and I'll go ahead and link her channel in the description box. I got my lobster tails over here thawing out, and I got my oven preheated. We're also going to be making some asparagus and garlic potatoes. They are instant because I got regular potatoes, but I'm not here for it. I'm not in the mood, so we ain't doing it, and that's on period. Let's go ahead and get started. Miss Danny said we need a half a stick of butter. Alright, so we got our melted butter. No, Papa. Ha ha ha. Johnny. Yes. I wish I had fresh parsley, but stuff like that I don't cook with on a regular basis. I'm trying. Ah! That's trash. Okay, hold on. All right. Anyway, we're gonna set this. We're gonna pour our little leaves up in here, and then we're gonna set it to the side and deal with it later. What? Let's color. Should I do garlic? I don't know. I don't think so. Lena, stop slamming that door. We got our cage-free eggs. Mayonnaise. I got it out the cabinet because it's not opened. Okay, don't judge. And here, let's do this much. Okay. So this is how much mayonnaise. I hope you can see it. This is how much mayonnaise I put. A 1/4 cup of mayo. Yeah, that's about a 1/4. It's actually a little bit more than a 1/4 cup, but whatever. 1 egg yolk, 1 tablespoon of parsley, seasonings, garlic, onion powder, Old Bay. All right, hold on. Hold up. One tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder. I hope I pronounced that right. That's this thing. Okay. This stuff tastes good. It tastes like the seasoning they put in noodles. Chicken flavored noodles. Alright, so I put that in there. What else I need? That's it. Okay. Let's go ahead and put all that. What else? And a tablespoon, right? Hold on. Tablespoon of Worcestershire. Hate this fucking word. Alright. Woo. So you're supposed to do just the yolk. Come on. What? You're supposed to get just the yolk.
No yolk.
Lena, you in my business.
No business.
Okay, whatever. We gonna, this is what it's looking like. We gonna mix all this together. I wish I had like an overhead camera thing where I could like gonna take our lump crab and we just gonna toss some up in there. Woo, not the juice. Hold up. Lena, close that refrigerator. Okay. And she said, hold on. She said to just toss it around just to coat it. So like not to drench it or drown it. Just to surface is what she said. Okay, boom. That's all. That's it and that's all. Alright, we're gonna leave this back in the refrigerator. Like no, leave that alone. Huh?
I have it. I'm going to eat it.
You want eggs?
Yeah, eggs. Cookies.
Woo.
Eggs.
Alright, so lobster tails is all thawed out.
Ooh, this nasty.
It's nasty.
Ah, this nasty.
It's not nasty.
Ah, ew, this nasty.
Rah. So we're taking our kitchen shears. And we are going to, is it dry? I think it's dry. I think she's gonna put water in the thing anyway. Bring them out, bring them out, bring them out. Okay. Let me watch this video again. Cause baby, hold up. Okay. Woo! Look at her. There she go. Think that's how you're supposed to do it. Okay. Now, on to the other ones. Woo! Do y'all know what I just went through to get these looking like this? Jesus Christ. Like, oh my God. Alright, so here is the butter mix. And she said just go ahead and get this all sopped up and coat the lobster. Alright, boom, that's that. And when she said to pop it in the oven for about 4 minutes. Asparagus is cooking. I just pulled the lobster tails out of the oven. And this is what they are looking like. It looks so good. So now, I'm gonna go ahead and pile the crab meat on top. I'm scared it's gonna fall off. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this back in the oven. She said for 6 to 8 minutes. And that's what it is. Y'all, so I just took it out the oven and put it on the plate, and oh my God, of course I snatched a piece of crab meat and it was amazeballs. Shout out to Miss Danny Rose. I followed her recipe to the T, didn't change a thing. And it is so effing good. So yeah, I'll go ahead, like I said, I'll put her channel description or her channel link in the description box so you guys can go subscribe. I love her channel, like I love it so much. And this is gonna wrap up today's video. See you guys soon. Toodles.